everybody, and welcome to the Legal Corner with Sabi. Today we have a guest who we are going to speak to for him to share a story, his personal experience with us. Just before we speak to our guest, may I just put a disclaimer that this here is not legal advice. It is for educational purposes. So if you need further assistance, you can speak to Thai attorneys who are available on Facebook for your assistance. Good afternoon, Mr. Mwizi.
Good afternoon, Sis Thai.
You are welcome to the Legal Corner with Sabi, and please feel free to just share your story as you had indicated that you need assistance on legal matters. You may go ahead.
In 2023, I joined a company that deals with call center jobs.
Yes.
So I became a call center agent for that company at that time. It was my first time working. I was just out of matric. The money, I just thinking, I was just excited to have a job at the time. As soon as I joined that workforce, I did not know that it was an evil place.
Oh my
God. So they would constantly take advantage of us newcomers, especially young people, more especially even the young women in the workplace. The sexual harassment that goes on there.
It's okay, take your time, son. Take your time. Are you comfortable to carry on, or just want to take a moment?
Just do it.
The viewers at home, while you are still watching, what we have here is a situation of one of our own, Mr. M, who is just relating his story of how he went through abuse at work. So this is the type of work that we do, viewers at home, where you are allowed to open up and you're just allowed to be yourself in this type of podcast. So let us allow our guest to just complete his story.
So my boss was a lady. She said that if I wanted to exceed or excel in this industry or in that company, that I would have to do things. Sexual things.
Sure.
Those are not my values. I do not want to get something that I didn't truly earn. I want to have it because I worked hard for it.
Of course.
So I refused to do those things, and she made sure that my work life was hell.
Sure.
I would get extra hours without the extra compensation. I would get a heavy workload for someone who is earning way more than I do. Someone who's earning way more than I do would work about only 6 hours. I would work about 14 hours a day, and I'd be making half what they make.
Sure.
So it was all just for me to quit, and that I did.
Sure. Yo, it's a hard one. I must just, send our heartfelt, with you. What you went through was quite ordeal. Viewers, I think you heard the story of Mr. M, and this here is a story of what happens to a number of the youth in our country. A number of people go through similar situations where they are forced out of work, not in their own will, but because of superiors or executives that treat them bad. What I want to share with you, viewers, is that in terms of our law in South Africa, our law is guided by Labor Relations Act and the Basic Conditions of Employment Act, which both acts deal with how employees are supposed to be treated at the workplace. One of them being the issue of payment, where employees have a right and are entitled to get their salary on time. So if you have been through a situation where you didn't get your payment on time, that on its own is an infringement of the Labor Relations Act. One of the issues that Mr. M has raised with us today is the issue of harassment, sexual harassment, which the law prescribes very, very directly and prohibits. So if you have found yourself in a situation similar to Mr. M, where he was forced to engage in sexual conduct which he didn't want to be a part of, that on its own can be viewed as unfair dismissal. So should you find yourself in such a case, there is help out there. Do not sit, do not allow the situation to push you out of work. Do not quit early. You can approach attorneys that deal with labor related issues. For example, here we have Clementina Thai Attorneys, which help specifically, they are experts in labor related issues, and they can help you should you find yourself in a similar position. Mr. M, we really appreciate that you took your time and you were brave enough to speak up. A lot of our young people don't speak up when they encounter such issues, and we are committing to assist you on your labor matter as you have stated it today. Thank you so much for your time. See you on the next episode, viewers at home.